Join me as I try out some super easy remedies to see if I can soothe my sore throat in record time. In today's video, we will explore easy and effective remedies to soothe your sore throat quickly and get you back on track. Many people suffer from sore throats due to colds, allergies, or other irritants, and finding relief can be challenging. A sore throat can be frustrating, especially when it's persistent and painful. Whether you're struggling to speak, eat, or even sleep, a sore throat can really take a toll on your daily life. It's even more frustrating when you can't figure out what's causing it or how to get rid of it. Have you ever woken up with a scratchy throat only to have it linger for days? It's no fun, right? But don't worry, I'm here to help. We will discuss several home remedies, including warm teas, honey, saltwater gargles, and more, explaining how each can help alleviate throat discomfort. Warm liquids like tea or broth can help soothe an itchy throat, while honey has antibacterial properties that can combat infection. Saltwater gargles can reduce swelling and kill bacteria, making them a great addition to your sore throat fighting arsenal. And that's not all. We'll cover even more remedies that you might not have tried before. From steam inhalation to throat sprays, we'll explore it all. The first remedy we'll talk about is warm tea. A warm cup of tea can be incredibly comforting when you're feeling under the weather. Peppermint, chamomile, and ginger teas are all great options for soothing a sore throat. You can add a spoonful of honey to make it even more effective. Honey is a natural antibacterial agent that can help fight off infection and reduce pain. Just be sure to choose a high-quality, pure honey for the best results. Another option is a saltwater gargle. Mix a teaspoon of salt with 8 ounces of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds before spitting it out. This can help reduce swelling and kill bacteria that may be causing your sore throat. The next remedy we'll discuss is steam inhalation. Steam can help open up your airways and reduce throat congestion, making it easier to breathe and talk. You can do this by taking a hot shower, using a humidifier, or even just boiling some water and inhaling the steam. Adding eucalyptus oil or menthol to the water can make it even more effective. Throat sprays can also provide quick relief. Look for sprays that contain ingredients like phenol or menthol, which can help numb the pain and reduce inflammation. And finally, we have something a little more unusual. Apple cider vinegar. Mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with water and gargle with it several times a day. The acidity in the vinegar can help kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. The most surprising remedy that many overlook is eucalyptus oil. You might associate eucalyptus oil with colds and congestion, but it can also be incredibly effective at soothing a sore throat. You can add it to your bath water, inhale it directly from a cloth or handkerchief, or even mix it with water to make a spray. Eucalyptus oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat infection and reduce pain. Just be sure to dilute it with a carrier oil, as it can be quite strong. And the best part? It's completely natural and non-irritating, making it perfect for even the most sensitive throats. To recap, we've covered various remedies that can help soothe a sore throat fast, so you can choose what works best for you. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to check out my other videos for more health tips and remedies, and let me know your favorite remedy in the comments.